Hi, welcome to OpenLC Solutions. Today we're continuing with 2014 Ordinary Level Paper 2, and we're moving on to question 6B, which is all about theorems. We're given a lot of information to start off with in this question. There's two circles, C1 and C2. They have intersection points, B and X. We're given diameters of each of these circles, both of which end at the point B. We're told that CB, the diameter of C2, is a tangent to the other circle, C1, and we're asked to prove that X is on the line AC. We have to start off with a little bit of construction. I'm going to join A to C, first of all, and what we have to prove ultimately is that X is on this line, even though it doesn't really look like it from the diagram. I'm also going to join B to X, like that. And that's all the construction we need to do with this question. But hopefully you'll recognize that each of these two angles, BXA and BXC, they're both right angles. The reason for that is they're both angles in a semicircle. If you just take the semicircle from A through to B that passes through X, you know that any point on the circumference of that semicircle will make a right angle if you join that point to A and B. And so we have this point X that's on the circumference, it joins to A and it joins to B, and so that must be a right angle there. Likewise with the other semicircle, if I go from B through to C and pass it through X, that is a semicircle, X is on the circumference, and so if I join X to B and X to C, it must make a right angle. We can use that information then, so we know that how we describe these angles. AXB, that's the same as the angle BXC, and that's 90 degrees because they are angles in semicircles. By one of our angle theorems, we know the angle AXC, that is the angle that starts with A here, passes to X, and then goes to C. We know that that's the sum of the two angles that are on that angle, so that's the sum of AXB and BXC. In other words, it's 90 plus 90 because we know that both of those individual angles are 90 degrees. And that leads us to the idea that that's 180 degrees, this AXC. And that's it. The 180 degrees proves that this is a straight line that passes through these 3 points. So therefore, A, X, and C are collinear. And all that means is that they're on the same line. That is the entire question. So thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'll talk to you again in the next episode.